Hey guys, it's your boy Steve here. Today I'm here in waterfall in Kigonga here. Water supply treatment. As you can see, there's some buildings here and the pipes. This is where water is written. As you can see, the water is dirty. There's some activities done here. People are moving some sand soil for building houses, as you can see there. So, as you can see, this waterfall. When someone step here, it can be taken by water. So here, these buildings are nice. There's some locks inside this waterfall. You can see it's nice one. The water is flowing fluently. Oh guys, these are dangerous place. When someone step here, it can be taken. So be careful.